NIC company, the only insurance listed on the exchange, has managed to issue 196 million shares. The additional rights issue shares to shareholders have automatically expanded the company's asset base to an estimated 19 billion from a previous 12 billion. Amish Gupta, the director, Standard Investment Bank, whose company contributed with skills and concepts, says they accumulated 5 billion in the process. Amish Gupta, the director, Standard Investment Bank from Nairobi, whose company contributed with skills and concepts, says they accumulated 5 billion in the process.
This morning, NIC has received applications for 7 billion Ugandan shillings and has accepted 5 billion Ugandan shillings immediately.
Baldwin, a stockbroker on Uganda's market, says in addition to the positive confidence Ugandans have showed by buying the shares, institution buyers such as Corporate Holdings, a Nigerian corporation, took the biggest portion of 60%. Baldwin also went ahead to reveal how NIC's market capitalization had increased from 12 billion to now 20 billion, a sign of future and improved liquidity. Amish Gupta, an investment banker, further stated that Nairobi may be having a more liquid and vibrant exchange, but Uganda is not far from a better comparison and might possess the ability to thrive.
Looking at specifically the issue of depository receipts and derivatives as a new area whereby we should be able to create product in order to increase that trading activity across the borders.
Most of the investment bankers could visibly be seen at the listing of NIC until further inquiry revealed that most of the fund managers and top executives had arrived in Uganda to celebrate and wish well Japheth Kato, a retired CEO of the capital markets, for his 16-year reign where he advocated and impacted many in this industry and on the continent of Africa.
His leadership and wisdom will be missed, including by us in Nairobi, because we have had the pleasure of interacting with him on various transactions, and we have benefited as his wisdom across the East African markets.
As the industry in Uganda grows, most investment analysts and stockbrokers predict the listing of Crane Bank on the exchange, but it's still unclear on which exact date it will list. While Gupta anticipates a year of innovation in East Africa as they begin to develop sophisticated products already existing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange, such as derivatives and depository receipts. The beginning of 2014 is much more exciting but much more better in the capital markets industry, especially for National Insurance Corporation, after listing 596 million Ugandan shares. And above all, the price of National Insurance Corporation has moved from 30 shillings to 35 Ugandan shillings per share, a capital gain indication of success for the future of an insurance company on the African continent. Andrew Adinitwe, Golf Course Hotel, Kampala.